Analysis of factors in corporate bond price. This is the Advanced Statistics final project. My name is Isabelle Aranditha Gusdinar. The rapid development of capital markets have an important role in enhancing economic growth. One of the investment products is corporate bonds. It provides funds needed by the companies. The investor can have additional income in the form of investment in the bond market by increasing capital gains and coupon interest for investment. The decision of investors to buy or sell big bonds depends on their agreement with bond prices offered by the company. The purpose of this research is to examine the independent variables affect to the bond price change. The research questions are: does the liquidity of bonds affect bond prices? Does the coupon rate affect bond prices? Does the maturity affect bond prices? Does the duration affect bond prices? And does the convexity affect bond prices? Here are the variables. First is liquidity. High liquidity bond makes the bonds more attractive because the frequency buy and sell activities. Second is coupon rate. Kemp and Ulrich Hamburg in 2000 stated that in addition to liquidity, bond prices also depend on the discount rate. Third is maturity. Before in 1987, in his study, concluded that maturity is an important factor in determining the bond return. The fourth is duration. It is a weighted average of time of all bond cash flow, which was developed to combine the coupon with maturity. The duration can be used as a measure of sensitivity of bond price. Is more precise than the due date at small interest rate changes. The last one is convexity. It is a measure of curvature of the bond curve showing the relationship between price and yield. A more convex curve convexity preference level means the price is more sensitive to changes in yield. This is the data that we used. In here, we use Indonesia Bond Market Directory period from January to June 2011, and it has 139 corporate bonds. The method is using multiple regression analysis with software IBM SPSS version 20. And here are the equations with the independent variables are liquidity, coupon, maturity, duration, convexity, and dependent variable is bond prices. And here are the descriptive statistics. Here's the mean of price. Means that the price in the 6 months in 2011 is around 102.17, and the maturity average is 4.7 year. The coupon rate is around 10.93%. The frequency transaction is around 26.85, and the duration is around 2.3, and convexity value is around 9.5. The normality test is being tested by Kolmogorov-Smirnov test. Here, as you can see, the most extreme difference is absolute values above the statistical value of D in the KS test. Here, the test of the value of D at each of above variable are 0.16 and 0.22 here, so it is sufficient evidence to accept null hypothesis where data are normally distributed. And then also autocorrelation with Durbin-Watson test. There is a collision that the Durbin-Watson value of below 1.55 means no autocorrelation. This regression model was proved to be no autocorrelation. And also, multicollinearity is important to be tested in regression analysis. If the value of correlation coefficient are above 0.8, indicated the existence of multicollinearity. If the tolerance value below 0.10 or the value variance equation factors above 10, then multicollinearity occurs. This regression model was proved to be no multicollinearity. And here are the regression results. So, to make the equation using the unstandardized coefficient. Here, we have the coupon. The liquidity of a bond has a regression coefficient with positive sign for 0.736. The maturity independent variable have regression coefficient of 3.83 with a negative sign. And the last one is duration, have a bond independent variable regression coefficient with positive signs of 0.987. And the coefficient of the equation is 93.683. And the standardized coefficient is used to determine which independent variable that most influence on the dependent variable. Duration have the higher value 0.637 with positive influence, coupon at 0.531 with positive influence, maturity at 0.392 with negative influence. And in the analysis, the higher coupon rate that offered, then it makes the bond product more attractive for the investor. Therefore, the price will increase. And the maturity, here we have the negative sign. It means that the shorter the term or maturity is more attractive to investor due to it is less risky. Therefore, it also can increase the bond price. And last one is the duration. Here we have the positive sign. This suggests that the higher value duration means that the more sensitive price obligation effect to the interest rate. So here the conclusion that the coupon independent variable has significant impact on the bond price. This suggests that the higher coupon rate bonds affect the higher level of price. Same with the duration that have significant positive impact on the bond price. And also it means that the higher duration of bonds affect the higher level of the price. But contrarily with the maturity independent variable which has the negative impact on bond price. And this suggests that the longer maturity of bonds will decrease the level of the price. Here are the references. And thank you very much.